Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. How to perform a pre-trip inspection on a trailer truck. A pre-trip inspection is an essential step to ensure that your truck and trailer are road-ready, safe, and compliant with regulations. By checking key components like brakes, tires, and lights, you can catch potential problems before they escalate into serious issues. What is a pre-trip inspection? A pre-trip inspection involves a thorough check of your truck and trailer to ensure everything is in proper working order before you hit the road. This is a legal requirement for commercial drivers and plays a crucial role in maintaining safety while driving. Why is it important? The primary purpose of a pre-trip inspection is safety. Catching issues like worn-out brakes or underinflated tires before hitting the road can help prevent accidents. Moreover, the Department of Transportation, mandates that pre-trip inspections be completed to ensure vehicles comply with regulations. Additionally, by identifying small problems early on, you can avoid costly repairs and roadside breakdowns. Who is responsible? As the driver, you are responsible for performing the pre-trip inspection. It's your duty to ensure that your truck is in safe and working condition before heading out, and skipping this critical step could compromise your safety and the safety of others. Tools you'll need. For an efficient and thorough inspection, there are a few tools you'll need. A flashlight is essential for checking under the truck or in poorly lit areas. A tire pressure gauge is crucial for ensuring your tires are properly inflated, preventing issues like blowouts. Wearing work gloves will help protect your hands from dirt, grease, or sharp objects. An inspection checklist, whether physical or digital, will help you stay organized and ensure you don't miss any important details. A reflective safety vest is important for visibility, especially if you're performing the inspection in a busy area, while wheel chocks are necessary to prevent the truck from rolling during the inspection. Step-by-step inspection process. Start your inspection with the exterior of the vehicle. Walk around the entire truck and trailer, checking the tires for proper inflation, adequate tread depth, and visible damage such as cuts or bulges. Test all lights, headlights, brake lights, turn signals, and reflectors to ensure they're functioning. Make sure your mirrors are clean, properly adjusted, and free from cracks. Also, check the trailer coupling system, including the fifth wheel and kingpin, to ensure everything is securely connected with no excess play. Next, pop the hood and check under it. Inspect oil and fluid levels for the engine oil, coolant, and windshield washer fluid. Look over the belts and hoses for any signs of wear, cracks, or leaks. Make sure the battery connections are clean and secure to avoid any starting issues. For the trailer, check that the cargo is securely fastened, as improperly secured cargo can pose a risk while driving. Inspect the trailer's brakes and suspension for leaks, wear, or loose components that could affect your ability to stop effectively. Ensure that all doors and locks on the trailer work smoothly, as any failure in securing the load could be dangerous. Once you move inside the cab, test the dashboard lights and gauges to ensure everything is working correctly. Test the brakes and steering to ensure responsiveness, and check for any unusual sounds or issues. Finally, confirm that emergency equipment such as a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, and reflective triangles are present and in good condition. Common mistakes to avoid. It's easy to skip steps or rush through the inspection, especially when you're in a hurry. However, this can lead to missing critical details, like a small tire issue or malfunctioning light. Never cut corners during your inspection. Thoroughly check each component, even the smaller ones, such as straps or mirrors. Taking the time to do this can save you from major issues down the road. By following this detailed inspection process, you ensure that your truck and trailer are in safe, working order, minimizing the risk of accidents and breakdowns while ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.